the Philippines' most culturally rich and naturally blessed regions, the Cagayan Valley region, also known as Region 2. Cagayan Valley is composed of 5 provinces which includes Cagayan, Isabela, Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino, and Batanes. This region, located in the northern part of Luzon, is renowned for its vast landscapes, diverse cultures, and delicious cuisine. We will delve into the history attractions, culinary delights, and more that make this region a gem in Philippine tourism.
So what is the origin of the name Cagayan Valley? The name Cagayan is thought to have originated from the word Carayan, which means river in Ibanag, the language of one of the major ethnic groups in the area. The word evolved over time to Cagayan, signifying the valley's close association with the mighty Cagayan River, the longest river in the Philippines. Cagayan Valley truly lives up to its name with its fertile lands and lush greenery nurtured by the river. Let's now move on to historical attractions. Cagayan Valley boasts a diverse range of attractions, of natural wonders to historical sites. In Cagayan Province, Calao Cave is known for its 7 chambers, stunning stalactites and stalagmites, and a natural chapel with sunlight streaming through an opening. Next is Aparri Delta, that offers picturesque view of where the Cagayan River meets the Philippine Sea, a perfect spot for boating trips and birdwatching. Lastly, the Palawi Island. The pristine island is known for its white sand beaches, coral gardens, and hiking trails. Cape Engaño Lighthouse, built during the Spanish period, offers a panoramic view of the island and sea.
Next province is Isabela Province. Magat Dam is one of the largest dams in Southeast Asia, providing irrigation and electricity. It's a scenic spot where visitors can enjoy fishing and boating. Second one is St. Matthias Church or Tumawin Church. It's known for its Baroque architecture and distinctive cylindrical bell tower. This 18th century church is a natural cultural treasure. And the Northern Sierra Madre Natural Park is known for the rich biodiversity. This is the largest protected area in the Philippines. It's home to rare species of plants and animals and birds as well as indigenous communities. Let's go to Batanes Province. The famous Basco Lighthouse is a symbol of Batanes. This lighthouse in Basco offers panoramic views of the Batan Island landscape, while the Marlborough Country or Rakapayaman is famous for its rolling hills and windswept vistas, offering a unique landscape reminiscent of New Zealand. And the island that's known for its traditional Ivatan stone houses, the Sabtang Island. These are built to withstand strong winds and storms. The island offers a glimpse into the ancient Ivatan way of life.
Now in Nueva Vizcaya, the Kapisahan Cave System is the 5th longest cave system in the Philippines, featuring stunning stalactites, stalagmites, and underground rivers. The Imugan Falls that is located in Santa Fe, Nueva Vizcaya. This waterfall is a peaceful retreat surrounded by lush forests, perfect for hiking and nature lovers. Lastly, the Quirino Province. The Governor's Rapid is known for its towering limestone formations and fast-flowing river, ideal for river rafting and kayaking. And the Natagpunan rock formations. These unique formations are located along the Cagayan River, offering a beautiful scenery and adventure activities like cliff diving. Now let us talk about the cuisine of Cagayan Valley. Cagayan Valley cuisine reflects the region's agricultural wealth and ethnic diversity. Pancit Batil Patong is a famous noodle dish from Tuguegarao. Pancit Batil Patong consists of salted noodles topped with poached egg, cara beef, and vegetable, served with a unique sauce. Next is Sinatata and Binalay. These rice cakes, traditionally prepared by indigenous groups, are sticky rice wrapped in banana leaves, often with coconut filling.
For desserts, you should not miss the Carabao milk candy. It is known locally as pastillas de leche. These sweet treats are made from Carabao milk, giving them a creamy taste. And last but not the least, Pancit Cabagan. It is a pancit or traditional Filipino noodles named after its origin, Cabagan, a municipality in the province of Isabela. It's made of milky or egg noodles and topped with lechon, karahay or kawali or crispy pork belly, stewed pig liver, and boiled quail eggs.
Cagayan Valley also has unique local festivals and events that offer a glimpse into the region's vibrant culture. Agaw na Cagayan Festival is celebrated in June. This festival highlights the history, culture, and achievements of the Cagayan people through parades, food fairs, and performances. Next one is Bambanti Festival in Isabela. It is held in January. This colorful festival honors the local farmers with dance competitions, agricultural exhibits, and Bambanti scarecrow displays. Lastly, Piat Sambali Festival. The religious festival honors the Lady of Piat of reenactment, indigenous cultural practices showcasing faith, history, and devotion.
And now, let us know the some of the famous person from Cagayan Valley. A notable figure from Cagayan Valley is no other than Miriam Defensor Santiago. She is a former Philippine senator and known as the Iron Lady of Asia. She was born in Santa Maria, Isabela, and she was celebrated for intellect, wit, and dedication to fighting corruption. Santiago became a symbol of courage and transparency, advocating for justice throughout her political career.
Sage manande sade panugo ide sasdi keksare ko larawan ganande ka naskandin me lanat ke.
Cagayan Valley is home to several ethnic groups, including the Ibanag, Gadang, and Itawes. In Batanes, the people are known as Ibatans, who have a unique culture and heritage shaped by their isolation and exposure to strong winds and typhoons. The main languages spoken include Ibanag, Ilocano, Itawes, Ibatan, and Gadang, but Filipino and English are also widely used. The culture is rich in festivals, folk dances, religious practices, reflecting a blend of indigenous and Spanish influences. We will give some trivia and fun facts in Cagayan Valley. The Cagayan River is not only the longest river in the Philippines but also provides life and sustenance to the people of the region. Batanes is one of the safest provinces in the Philippines, with locals leaving their homes and bikes unlocked due to the trust and strong community bonds.
The Ibatan houses of Batanes, made of thick stone walls and covered roofs, are specially designed to withstand the region's intense winds and typhoons. The climate in Cagayan Valley is generally tropical, with a distinct dry season from November to April and a rainy season from May to October. The region is sometimes affected by typhoons due to its proximity to the Pacific Ocean, especially during the rainy season.
Cagayan Valley. By air, the most convenient way to reach Cagayan Valley is by taking a flight to Tuguegarao City, the capital of the province of Cagayan. Several airlines operate regular flights from Manila to Tuguegarao, making it a quick trip.
also possible. Bus services from Manila to Cagayan Valley offer scenic views taking approximately 10 to 12 hours. Once you're in the region, getting around is easy with buses, jeepneys, and tricycles.
In conclusion, Cagayan Valley is a region of rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and unique cultural heritage. From its natural wonders and historical sites to its warm-hearted people and delicious cuisine, it offers an experience like no
So,
other.
when you plan your next trip, consider visiting Cagayan Valley and uncovering the hidden treasures of the beautiful part of the Philippines.
Thank you, and we hope this presentation inspired you to explore the wonders of Cagayan Valley. Choose tourism, choose UA Manila.